Hello and welcome to JavaScript in Less Than 3, where I describe JavaScript concepts in under 3 minutes. Now today we're going to talk about forEach, which is an array method. Now if you don't know what a loop is, this might be a little bit confusing, but don't worry because I will be bringing a video soon all about loops and what they are. But the simple way to understand it is that this forEach method will allow us to go through each item in the array and then do something with it. So let's have a little look at what we're talking about. So firstly, we need an array, right? So we're going to start with an array of, gosh, here we go again, hats. Let hat array. This happens every time. I don't know why I don't prepare this.
We've got a beanie, we've got centre hats, we've got an akubra. I think that's how you spell akubra. What else do we have? Sun hat. There you
Okay, we've got 4 items here. And now what we want to do is we want to do something to each of these, right? We don't want to return a new array. We don't want to do anything like that. We just want a side effect. In other words, we want to do something to each item, but not necessarily return anything. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a for each loop. So we're going to do hat array dot for each, right? So pretty standard method syntax. And then here we put a callback. So we could do something like this, item. So the first parameter is an item. And then we could just say console.log item, right? And that would log beanie, then it would log Santa hat, then it would log akubra, and then it would log sun hat, right? We can also do this by, as I have done here, preparing a function and then passing that in as a direct callback function. So rather than using an anonymous callback function as we've done here on line 5, we predetermine one. Log item. That will do exactly the same thing here. Yeah, we just define it in advance. Yeah, we log the item. The current item is taken in automatically by the forEach loop, and then it logs each one separately. Now, one thing that a lot of people don't know about forEach loops is that it does take a second argument or second parameter, and that is index. So whenever you put whatever you put here as the second parameter, that will actually be the index that will be returned. So what we can do is we can actually say hat array dot for each and then log item with index. And what this will do is it will take the current item, that is still the name of each of the hats that we described earlier, and it will also apply the index. So what this will return for each item is a string which says position index and then the name of that item. So I hope that you found this useful and I will see you next time. Bye.